Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Redmi A3, there's only one method, by using all of these wired cables. So these inductive chargers are actually not working because the back of the smartphone is made out of the plastic. And in my case, I'm using this charging brick from my old Huawei smartphone. And also I'm using this cable from the Huawei P30 Pro. So you don't have to actually buy the original adapter. You can actually use this one from your old smartphone. But there's also another method, also wired. But take a look. When you plug the USB-C cable into your phone, and the second end when you plug into the other smartphone, as you can see, right now our device is charging. So you can actually charge other phones by using your Redmi A3. So this is pretty cool. And also we can try to do the same. So I mean recharge your Redmi A3. So unplug the cable, plug it into the Redmi A3, and now it's still charging my phone. But additionally, we can try to enable the USB debugging and check if it actually works. So if we can actually recharge this smartphone by using other phone. So let's find the USB debugging. Yeah, it's actually turned on. Yeah, but it actually doesn't work. So by using the Redmi A3, you can actually recharge other smartphone by using the cable, but you cannot recharge the Redmi A3. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.